Here I've got Homtom HT16 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select date and time, which are the first tab under system, and here you can either use automatic date and time or you can click on the automatic date and time to switch it off, and then you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone. Just click here to switch it off, and then you can select one from the white list of time zones here. Just pick the one that you would like to apply. Let me pick, for example, Dubai, and as you can see it has been changed. Finally, you can also personalize the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. So that would be all. This is how you can change the date, time and also time zone on your device. Then if you would like to go back to automatic setup, just click on the switcher and then pick either network provided time or GPS provided time. I will pick network provided time, and now it will be set up automatically. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can change the date and time in your Homtom HT16. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.